Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an Italian restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and fun story about two friends learning about Italian food culture and dining manners. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is the first course in an Italian meal? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, here we are. This is the Italian restaurant I told you about.
Oh, wow, it looks so nice. I love the lights outside.
Yeah, this place is very popular. People come here for special meals.
Special? Like a birthday dinner?
Yeah, like that. Or just a nice dinner with friends. Italian food is a little different from fast food.
Different how?
Well, Italian dining is more about taking your time. You eat slowly. You enjoy every dish.
I like that. I am always in a hurry when I eat.
Well, tonight, let's take it slow. There are some things about Italian dining that are good to know.
Okay, teach me everything. I am so excited. I love Italian food. Pizza, pasta, everything.
Me too, but there's more to Italian food than just pizza and pasta. Tonight you will see.
Really? Now I'm even more excited. Let's go inside.
Sure, let's go.
I hope they have a nice table for us.
All right, here is the menu. Take a look.
Wow, there are so many things on this menu. I don't know where to start.
Don't worry. Italian meals usually follow a course order.
A course order? What do you mean?
So first, you have the antipasto. That is the starter. Small dishes before the main dish.
Oh, like a salad?
Yes, or small things like bruschetta, bread with tomatoes on top. Very simple and light.
Bruschetta. I have had that before. It was really tasty.
Good. The antipasto is meant to be light. It prepares you for the next dishes.
That sounds good. What comes after that?
Next is the pasta course. You choose one pasta dish.
Just one? But there are so many kinds of pasta here.
I know, but you pick one for this course. Then, after pasta, there is the main course. That is usually meat or fish.
So, starter, then pasta, then meat or fish.
That's right. And at the end, there is dessert.
Dessert! Yes, I want dessert.
Of course. So the full course is antipasto, then pasta, then the main dish, and then dessert.
That is a lot of food. I want to eat everything on this menu.
You don't have to order every course. You can pick 2 or 3 if you want. Many people just have pasta and a main dish.
Oh, that's good. But I still want to try everything. Can we at least get an antipasto to share?
Sure, an antipasto is usually small enough to share. That is a good idea. Let's start with the antipasto and pasta for now.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan. Oh, Sam, look. They have pizza and pasta. Let's get one of each and share.
Actually, in Italian dining, people usually order their own dish. Sharing is not very common.
Really? Why not?
In Italy, Each person usually picks their own dish, one dish for one person. That is the basic style, but sharing a small starter is usually fine.
Oh, I didn't know that. So I should pick my own pasta?
Yes, exactly. You choose what you want, and I choose what I want. Everyone enjoys their own plate.
That makes sense. Actually, I think it is nice to have your own dish.
Right? You can focus on the taste of your dish.
Okay, I will get the tomato pasta then. It looks really good in the picture.
Good choice. Now, do you want some water?
Yes, please. Just water is fine.
Well, at Italian restaurants, they usually ask you a question about water.
A question about water? What kind of question?
They ask, still or sparkling? Still water is regular water with no bubbles. Sparkling water has bubbles, like soda but without flavor.
Oh, I always get confused about that. So, still is just normal water?
Yes, still is just normal, flat water. No bubbles.
Okay, I want still water then. Bubbles in water feel strange to me.
That's fine. Many people feel the same way.
Wait, is the water free?
In many Italian restaurants, water is often not free. You pay for it, but it is not expensive.
Oh, that is different from what I am used to. Good to know. The bread looks amazing. And look, there is olive oil on the table.
Yes, you can dip the bread in the olive oil.
Great.
Oh, wait. Ellie, that is a lot of oil. You are putting too much oil on the bread.
Too much? But I love olive oil.
I know, but you should just dip a little bit. Just touch the bread to the oil lightly. You don't need a lot.
Oh, just a little? Like this?
Yes, perfect. Just a little bit of oil on the bread. Many people do it this way.
Okay, I understand. A little oil, not a lot.
Good. Oh, here comes the pasta.
It looks so good. Let me get my spoon and fork.
Actually, Ellie, in Italian style, you eat pasta with just a fork, no spoon.
No spoon? But how do I roll the pasta?
You put the fork into the pasta and roll it on the plate. You use the edge of the plate to help you roll.
On the plate? Not on a spoon?
Right. In Italy, most people just use a fork, no spoon. Try it.
Okay. Like this? Oh, it works.
See? Just a fork is enough.
This is actually easier than I thought.
And one more thing. Try to eat quietly. In Italian dining, people usually eat without making loud sounds.
Oh, right. No slurping the pasta?
Right. No slurping. Just eat gently and quietly. Take small bites.
Got it. Small bites, no sounds, fork only. I can do this.
You are doing great already. Italian dining is really about enjoying food slowly and carefully.
I like that idea. Take your time and enjoy every bite.
Exactly. There is no rush. That is the Italian way.
This fish is really good. I want to put some cheese on it.
Wait, Ellie. In Italian food culture, people usually do not put cheese on fish dishes.
What? Why not? Cheese makes everything better.
Many people think that, but in Italy, cheese and fish do not usually go together. It is not common in Italian cooking.
Really? So no cheese on seafood pasta either?
That's right. If the pasta has fish or seafood, no cheese. If the pasta has meat or vegetables, cheese is fine.
Oh, I see. That is good to know. I almost made a mistake.
Don't worry, many tourists make that mistake. It is very common.
What other mistakes do tourists make?
Well, one big example is pizza. In Italy, many people eat pizza with a knife and fork.
With a knife and fork? I always eat pizza with my hands.
Using your hands is okay too, for example, with simple pizza. But in a nice restaurant like this, using a knife and fork looks more polite.
So, in a nice place, I should use a knife and fork for pizza?
Yes, that is a safe choice. You cut the pizza into small pieces and eat with the fork.
That feels so strange, but I will try it next time.
Another common tourist thing is asking for many changes to the dish. Like, can I have this without this and add that?
Oh, I do that sometimes.
In Italian restaurants, the chef makes the dish in their own style. It is better to order the dish as it is on the menu.
So I should not ask for changes?
Small changes are usually okay, like no onion. But many changes can be a little rude. The chef works hard to create the perfect dish.
I understand. I will try to enjoy the food the way the chef makes it. That is the polite thing to do.
Exactly. And honestly, the chef usually knows best. You might find a new flavor you love.
That is true. I tried something new today and I loved it.
That's the best way to enjoy Italian food.
That was amazing. Everything was so delicious. How do we pay?
Let me ask for the bill. In Italian restaurants, you usually have to ask for it. They don't bring it by itself.
Oh, we have to ask? That is different from what I know.
Yes, in Italy, bringing the bill too quickly can feel rude. They want you to relax and enjoy your time.
That is really nice. So, should we split the bill? Like half and half?
We can, but in Italian culture, it is also common for one person to pay for the whole meal.
Oh, really? One person pays for everything?
Yes. For example, if someone invites you, the person who invites usually pays.
That is interesting. So, if I invite a friend, I should pay?
That is a common way, yes, but splitting is fine too. For example, with close friends.
Got it. What about tips? Do we leave a tip?
In Italy, tipping is different from America. A big tip is not expected, but you can leave a small amount, like 1 or 2 euros, to say thank you.
So I don't need to leave 15 or 20% like in America?
No, not at all. In Italy, the service is already included in the price. A small extra amount is just a nice way to say thanks.
That is easy. Just a little tip to be nice. I like that.
Exactly. And sometimes there's a small charge on the bill called coperto. That is a cover charge for the table, bread, and service.
Coperto? So they charge for sitting at the table?
Yes, it is normal in Italy. It is usually just a few euros per person. Don't worry about it.
Okay, that is good to know. I won't be surprised when I see it on the bill.
Exactly. No surprises. Now you know all about paying at an Italian restaurant.
Yes, I feel much more confident now. Wow, that was such a great dinner. I learned so many things tonight.
You did great, Ellie. What do you remember?
Let me think. First, Italian meals have a course order: antipasto, then pasta, then the main dish, and then dessert.
That's right. What else?
Each person usually orders their own dish, and water can be still or sparkling.
Good. And what about eating?
Use just a fork for pasta, no spoon, and dip bread in olive oil just a little, and eat quietly.
Perfect. And the cultural things.
No cheese on fish, and in a nice restaurant, use a knife and fork for pizza, and don't ask for too many changes to the food.
Great. You really paid attention tonight.
Of course, this is all so interesting. I never knew there were so many things to learn.
They're not really strict rules. They're more like customs. Italian people care about food. It is a very important part of their culture.
I can see that. The food tonight was amazing, and I can feel the love they put into it.
You really did learn a lot. And what about paying?
The person who invites usually pays. Tipping is small in Italy, and there is a cover charge called coperto.
Amazing. You remember everything.
Well, I had a good teacher tonight. Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome. So where do you want to go next time?
How about French food, or maybe Mexican?
Both sound great. Every country has its own food culture and manners. It's fun to learn about them.
Yes, let's try a new one every month.
That sounds like a great plan. Let's do it.
Okay, I can't wait. But first, I am still a little hungry.
Ellie, you just ate a full Italian dinner.
I know, but maybe some gelato?
Okay, let's get some gelato. That is very Italian too.
Yes, today was the best day.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the first course in an Italian meal? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with useful tips to help you learn naturally. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.